What happens after a Chapter 13 bankruptcy is paid off? Finishing a Chapter 13 bankruptcy plan can feel like reaching the finish line after a long race. But what comes next is just as important as what led up to it. Knowing what happens after your Chapter 13 bankruptcy is paid off can help you move forward with confidence and clarity. Once all required payments under your repayment plan have been made, the next step is to receive a discharge order from the bankruptcy court. This means that all remaining eligible debts included in the plan are legally wiped out. It usually takes a few months after the final payment for the discharge to be issued. The court will review your case to ensure all payments have been completed and all requirements met, including any mandatory financial management courses. You'll also want to check your credit report to make sure debts discharged in the bankruptcy are reported accurately. Mistakes in reporting can negatively impact your credit score and your financial future. Rebuilding credit takes time, but making timely payments on new or existing accounts and monitoring your credit can help you steadily improve your creditworthiness. The bankruptcy will appear on your credit report for 7 years after filing, but many people start rebuilding credit much sooner. Working with a lawyer can help you understand your rights and obligations after discharge and ensure that your financial recovery stays on track. How long does it take to get a Chapter 13 discharge after final payment? After making the last payment in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy plan, it typically takes 3 to 6 months to receive a discharge order from the court. This time allows the court to confirm that all required payments were made, no outstanding obligations remain, and all post-filing certifications are complete. One common requirement is completing a financial management course and submitting the certificate to the court. Failing to do this can delay the discharge or even lead to dismissal of the case. Once everything is in order, the discharge order will be entered and mailed to you and your attorney. This final step is what clears the remaining eligible debt, giving you the fresh start that Chapter 13 promises. If you're unsure whether your case has closed properly or if you're missing any final documents, speaking with an attorney is the best course of action. What is the process after paying off a Chapter 13 bankruptcy? When you finish making all payments under your Chapter 13 plan, the trustee will review your file and confirm completion. Then the trustee files a notice of plan completion with the bankruptcy court. This is followed by a court review and, assuming all conditions are met, issuance of a discharge order. Some debts are not discharged in Chapter 13, such as certain taxes, student loans, and domestic support obligations. You remain responsible for those even after the bankruptcy ends. In some cases, if you've paid off secured debts through the plan, you may need to ensure that liens are released and property titles updated. You'll also want to follow up with your law firm to make sure all closing documents are received and properly filed. The attorney who helped you through your Chapter 13 case can also assist with post-discharge issues, such as credit repair and lien release. Rebuilding your financial life doesn't happen overnight, but with the support of a knowledgeable lawyer, the process becomes clearer and more manageable. The law firm that guided you through bankruptcy can be an ongoing resource. If you're nearing the end of your Chapter 13 plan or have just made your final payment, Straffi and Straffi Attorneys at Law can guide you through the final steps and help ensure your discharge goes smoothly. Call 732-341-3800 or visit us at 670 Commons Way, Toms River, New Jersey, 08755 to learn more.